My dear students, I am Dr. Sarantote, Assistant Professor, J.D. Patil Sangalkar Mahavidyalaya, Daryapuर. Today we will discuss our first topic, that is heterocyclic compound. See, in this picture you see that heterocyclic compounds were, that is azoles, pyrolyls, azepam, alkenes, imidazoles, indoles, imidazoles, pyrimidine, naphthalene. Sometimes pyrolyls also. Heterocyclic compound is very important. Most of the drugs are derived from heterocyclic compounds. Agriculture is also importance is there. So first we will see what is the heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compounds are organic compound with the ring structure that contain in the cycle at least one carbon atom, that is important, at least one carbon atom, and at least one other element such as nitrogen, oxygen, or sulfur. The most common cycle contain 5 or 6 atoms, with the stability of this ring being higher than that of 3, 4, 7 or larger rings. इसका मीनिंग ये होता है कि 5 और 6 एटम की जो होती है रिंग, इट इज मोर स्टेबल एज कंपेयर टू 4, 7 और लार्जर. However, the many heterocyclic compounds with a different number of atoms than 5 or 6 are there. In the previous slide, we will see the various examples. The heterocyclic compounds are aromatic. It may be a partial or fully saturated compounds. Saturation means what? It may contain a double bond, it may contain a pi bonds. Okay. Heterocycles are important and a large proportion of natural products contain them. Most of the natural products contain heterocyclic compounds. Many pharmaceuticals, agrochemical contain at least one heterocyclic unit. Okay. At the end of chapter, we will see the various product of heterocyclic that is contained in a pharmaceutical, in a natural product, one by one. Okay. Next, we will discuss the examples of the 5-member tree. Okay, examples of what? 5-member tree. Here we will example, if suppose, okay, the 5-member ring, in that 5-member ring, if the one of the carbon is replaced by nitrogen, one of the carbon is replaced by nitrogen, then the derivative is pyrrole or pyrazole or imidazole. See, in the first, in case of a pyrrole, there is only one carbon, sorry, only one nitrogen, then the ring is known as pyrrole. If it contains 2 nitrogens instead of a carbon, if the ring system contains 2 nitrogens, but depending upon the position of a nitrogen, there are the 2 types of derivatives. See in example, imidazole. In case of imidazole, there are nitrogen present in the first and third position. Okay, first and third position alternate. But in case of there is a continuous system, 1 or 2 position is occupied by the nitrogen, then the compound is known as a pyrazole. Compound is known as what? Pyrazole. 6-membered ring is also there. With a 6-membered ring, only one nitrogen is there, then it is known as indole. Okay, most of the coloring compound having the indole as a derivative. If suppose instead of a nitrogen, there is oxygen. If oxygen is present, then the compound is known as a furan. But suppose in the conjugation with nitrogen, oxygen with nitrogen is there, then it is known as oxazole. If again, depending upon the position, first position is oxygen and third position is nitrogen, then it is known as oxazole. If suppose the first position is oxygen and then second position is nitrogen, then it is known as isozole. Okay, isoxazole. If sulfur is there, then it is known as a thiophene. If the first position is a sulfur and third position is a nitrogen, then it is known as thiazole. If first position is a sulfur and the second position is nitrogen, then it is known as a isothiazole. This is very important products. For in your syllabus, there are the pyrrole system is there. See, here is the example of pyrrole. In this case, suppose this is a 6-membered ring, we know that it is a benzene. Okay. If suppose one of the carbon is replaced by nitrogen, here it is nitrogen, one of the carbon is replaced by nitrogen. When one of the carbon is replaced by nitrogen, then this compound is heterocyclic compound. This is not heterocyclic, this is a regular benzene, but one of the carbon is replaced by the nitrogen, then it is known as a heterocyclic compound. This is a pyrimidine structure. This This is what pyramidal structure. Okay, you got it? Okay. 6-membered ring example. Okay, we know that the pyrimidine is also there already in the whiteboard. I will explain that. Now see, 6-membered ring. One of the carbon is replaced by again the nitrogen. Then it is known as pyridine. If suppose there are the two nitrogens, again depending upon the position. First and two position is occupied by the nitrogen, then it is known as a pyridine. If suppose the first and third position is occupied by the nitrogen, then it is known as a pyridine. If the first and fourth position is occupied by the nitrogen, then it is known as pyrazine. Okay. See, there is the pyrazine. There another one example is also there. Oxygen is contained, then it is known as a pyralium. If suppose more than 6-membered ring is there, attached ring is there, then it is known as a quinoline and isoquinoline. See the last example, quinoline and isoquinoline structure. In your syllabus, pyridine is there, then pyrrole is also there, quinoline also is there. Now, next we will see nomenclature. This is the very important nomenclature. There are the two types of nomenclature system is there. First one is Hertz-Widman nomenclature, Hertz-Widman nomenclature, and second one is the common name system. Okay, we will see one by one. First we will see what is the meaning of Hertz-Widman nomenclature. Carefully see this PPT. Now, we already know that heterocyclic compound contain oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus. If suppose, according to this system, nomenclature system, oxygen is there, then the prefix is oxan. Nitrogen is there, then it is a azan. Sulfur is there, then thion, and phosphorus is suppose there, then the phosphor. We will see the example. First, we will go for rules. Now, if the ring size indicate by the suffix according to table. After that, there is a one table. But before that, we will see one by one. That suffix is derived from various words. Like, if suppose there are the 3 ring system is there, cyclic, then it is a IR, which is coming from a tri. If suppose 4th ring system, then it is a it, which is coming from a tetra. Like that, EP from hepta, OC from octa, on from non, ik from deca. See the example, see this ring system. If the ring system is 3-membered ring is there, suffix is ER, which is derived from the tri. Like that, 4 for 4 ring system, it is there. For pentagonal system, OL is there. For 6, it is in. 7 for it. 8 के लिए होगा OC. OL for 9 ring system and IC from 10 ring systems. Okay. Now, see here is the one example. In this case, if suppose ring system saturated, unsaturated. Saturated means what? That it contains only a single bonded compound. There is no pi bond. Then, if the suppose ring system is 3, then it is from IRANE. Irene. If the 4th is there, then ethane. 5-member ring, olane. Okay, like that. This is a chart. If suppose there is an unsaturation is there. Okay, now see, we know that during the nomenclature system, if suppose the compound contains only single bonded compound contains only single bonded, so that is known as alkane. And during the nomenclature, we are using A and E. But we are using A and E. If suppose there are the double bond is present, we know that we are using E and E. We are using E and E. Like that, see the saturation in the saturated column, A and E, which is from single bonded. In the unsaturated compound, there is I and E. Now, unsaturated, it may contain double bond, single, or it may contain double bond, 3 double bond. So that in short, they will be using a direct I and E for unsaturation compound. If suppose the 3-member ring is there, then it is a IRINE. 4th ring system is there, then it is a ETE. Like that. Now, if suppose heterocyclic compound is a saturated, okay, is a saturated and it contains nitrogen, then it is a IRIDINE. Already we see that in the previous. See, for a nitrogen we are using azan. So What is the meaning of this? As a reading. Okay, as a reading. You will see. Now, see here. If suppose heteroatom, okay, heteroatom, its nitrogen is there, like that. System is there. 1 minute. This is a nitrogen. Okay. So, in case of this nitrogen, such type of is there. Now, what we have to do? See, in this ring contain, this is a 6-membered ring. Okay, how much? 6-membered ring is there. So, according to table, for the 6-membered ring, we are using we will use En. What we are using? En we are using. Okay, what? En. Now, when the compound is start from nitrogen, see here, the where is the nitrogen is there, then prefix is what? Aza. Okay, prefix is what? Aza. So we will start with the Aza. Start with what? Aza. Now, how much member ring contain? That is a 6. Okay, for a 6-member ring is there, and for 6-member ring, what we are using? We are using CEN. What we are using? En. Okay, so that Aza plus En. Aza plus what? En. Then Aza plus En. Now, yeah, up to this is clear. Nitrogen is present, so that it start from Aza. Then 6-membered ring, so that it is a in. Okay, now in this chart, this ring is unsaturated because it contains the pi bond. It contains a pi bond. Now see in the pi bond, 6-membered ring. Okay, what will be the IN E? What should be there? IN E is there, so that here according to this system, I will use INE. Okay, INE for unsaturation compound. Like that, this is the formula. Aza plus in plus IN. Like that, there is a formula. So, by using this formula, such type of naming should be there. Later on, we will see the various example. Okay, this is a first naming system. We are going to that. Now, next. See, this is the example. In this example, see, when the ring system contains the oxygen, then it is known as oxa plus IRENE, because this is a single bonded compound. Okay, single bonded compound, so that there is a ENA, and this is a 3-ring system, so that word is IR. So what will be the name? Oxyring. What is the name of that? Oxyring. Same to same Ca. Sulfur, so that word is Thia. Again single bonded ARNE, and this is a 3-ring system, so that IR. This is a thyrane. Like that, there is an example. Azolidine. Okay, nitrogen is there, then azolidine. See, the nitrogen is there, the azolidine. We will already discuss this. So such type of nomenclature is there. Next one is the common name system. Most of the time, question is coming from this simple common name system. So, what is the common name system? See, In case of nitrogen containing 5-membered heterocyclics, names end with OL. Okay, names end with OL. See here example OL. And that of 6-membered ring is there. Okay, see 5-membered ring end with the OLE, and for a 6-membered ring end with the INE. The numbering start from heteroatom except isoquinoline. What is that? To see. We will see again example. Now see example. According to this system, this is a pyrrole. What is the name? Pyrrole. Okay, this one is the pyrrole. Now see, whenever we have to give the numbering of the heterocyclic ring system, so how it will be go? See that. See, again we will draw the structure of pyrrole. Okay, this is the pyrrole, and the numbering for this numbering. Now see, what is the rule? From the heterocyclic atom, it should be the 1. So that this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. If suppose oxygen is there, like the furan type of structure is there, oxygen. Then for oxygen, there are the 2 lone pairs. In case of oxygen, numbering is a start from, that is again heteroatom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. According to rule, if suppose 5-membered ring is there and nitrogen is present, then end with the OLE. End with what? OLE. And for oxygen, end with the AL. Like that. Now see, there is a one limitations. What is that limitations? If the 6-membered ring is there, now this is the 5-membered ring. If suppose there are the 6-membered ring is there, 6-membered ring end with the ANE for a nitrogen. Okay, end with the ANE for a, in case of a nitrogen is there. Now there is also rule. Numbering should be start from heteroatom. Numbering should be start from heteroatom. Like this example then. This one is the, this is a quinoline. Name of this quinoline. Here the quinoline numbering according to rule from the heteroatom. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See that this is a bridge carbon, and bridge carbon is always taken at the last. This is a 9 and 10 are the bridge carbon. So that numbering should be at the last. But there is one limitation for the isoquinoline. What is the structure of isoquinoline? See, again nitrogen containing heteroatom. Okay, but in this isoquinoline, the nitrogen is present at that position here. Here is the nitrogen is present. Now in this case, if nitrogen is present, then what? Numbering should be start from, not from this nitrogen. Numbering should be start from here. So this is an exceptional case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, which carbon is at the last? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Name of this compound is isoquinone. What is the name of this compound? Isoquinone. Okay, you got it? Now, like that. The next one is what? This is the example. See the example. This may helpful for you. You can take the screenshot also. Various examples are there. Furan, thiophene, cellophane, okay, tellurethane, like that. This is the example. This is for more than fifth member ring. Okay, so by this we end with the first session heterocyclic compound. We will see the next part, that is the preparation and the structure of the para. So that, thank you.